For months, astronomers believed 3I Atlas would be nothing more than another interstellar visitor, a frozen object passing through our solar system before disappearing forever into deep space. At first, everything about it seemed ordinary for an interstellar body. Its hyperbolic path confirmed it came from another star system, and its incredible speed made it one of the fastest objects ever observed. But then the data changed. Scientists tracking the object noticed tiny shifts in its trajectory. Small corrections that gravity alone could not explain. Even solar radiation pressure failed to match the calculations. It almost looked as if 3I Atlas was steering itself. That was when concern began spreading through observatories around the world. Instead of weakening near the inner solar system, the object became more active. Its glowing cloud brightened rapidly, releasing unusual bursts of carbon dioxide and ultraviolet energy. Then the James Webb Space Telescope detected something even stranger. Gas pulses erupting every 17 minutes with perfect precision. Not random. Not chaotic. Controlled. Researchers realized the pulses resembled propulsion systems used in spacecraft. Each burst appeared to slightly adjust the object's path, slowly tightening its approach toward Mars. Simulations showed that even a small increase in speed could place the object on a direct collision course with the planet. Soon, even more disturbing evidence appeared. Radar signals reflected off the object like metal instead of ice or rock. Amateur astronomers captured strange green beams extending toward Mars. Inside scientific circles, forbidden words quietly entered serious discussions. Probe. Artifact. Engineered object. Some scientists, including Avi Loeb, suggested 3I Atlas might actually be an artificial interstellar probe. Its movements appeared coordinated. Its gas emissions followed repeating cycles. Its trajectory aligned almost perfectly with Mars' orbital plane. It no longer looked like a drifting comet. It looked like something aiming. As Webb continued scanning the object, leaked reports claimed the telescope detected unusual materials mixed inside its vapor trail, structures resembling synthetic polymers and carbon nanotubes. At the same time, scientists uncovered repeating mathematical patterns hidden within the object's pulse sequences. Prime numbers. Recursive intervals. Signal-like structures. Then came the moment that changed everything. A SETI-associated team transmitted a mathematical radio message toward the object. Days later, monitoring stations recorded a narrow-band pulse returning at the exact expected delay. Not a reflection. A response. Suddenly, the mystery surrounding 3I Atlas no longer felt like astronomy. It felt like contact. And the most terrifying realization of all was this. Whatever 3I Atlas truly is, it may not have entered our solar system by accident. It may have arrived here for a reason. As fear surrounding 3I Atlas intensified, the mystery took an even darker turn. Scientists studying the object's trajectory noticed a strange coincidence impossible to ignore. Every major orbital alignment connected to the object corresponded with rare astronomical resonance dates, moments linked to unusual gravitational harmonics within the inner solar system. September 23 Road, October 5, November 11. Dates associated not only with orbital mechanics, but with celestial cycles recorded by ancient civilizations thousands of years ago. At first, historians dismissed the connection as meaningless coincidence. But when archaeoastronomers began comparing the object's flight path with ancient sky maps from Babylonian, Mayan, and Tibetan records, a disturbing pattern emerged. Multiple cultures described a flame serpent descending from the outer darkness, curving unnaturally near the sun before approaching the red planet. Some carvings even depicted spiral patterns radiating outward from Mars itself. What terrified researchers most was this. The projected debris patterns from a potential 3I atlas impact closely resembled those ancient symbols. It was as if humanity had seen this event before. Meanwhile, something strange began happening on Mars itself. Orbiters monitoring the planet detected rising xenon isotopes leaking from deep beneath the surface near Cerberus Fossae, one of Mars' most unstable geological regions. Seismic activity increased. Underground temperatures rose unexpectedly. Then magnetometers recorded a structured magnetic pulse repeating every 17 minutes, the exact same interval as the gas bursts emitted by 3I Atlas. Scientists stared at the data in stunned silence. Mars appeared to be responding. The deeper researchers looked, the stranger the situation became. Using archived thermal scans from older Mars missions, analysts rediscovered faint underground heat signatures beneath Utopia Planitia. Previously dismissed as instrument noise, the patterns now appeared active once again. Even more disturbing, the shapes formed geometric symbols eerily similar to spiral glyphs found carved into ancient Martian surface formations. Some researchers proposed an impossible idea. What if Mars was not merely a planet? What if it was some kind of dormant system waiting to reactivate? Then came the shadow. During one of Webb's final tracking sessions, astronomers identified a second anomaly trailing behind 3I Atlas at a perfectly constant distance. It was not gas. Not debris. Not visible in ordinary wavelengths. Yet photometric analysis revealed a persistent distortion moving in exact synchronization with the main object. Something was following it. The shadow maintained perfect formation regardless of gravitational influence, almost as though tethered by invisible forces. When scientists mapped its movement using polar coordinate models, the result formed a flawless orbital trace. Speculation exploded across research institutions. Some believed it might be a hidden companion probe. Others proposed stranger possibilities, a gravitational echo, an electromagnetic field, perhaps even something beyond current physics. For the first time, scientists began wondering whether 3I Atlas was not the primary object at all. Maybe it was only the carrier. As the projected impact window approached, the object's emissions evolved into increasingly complex sequences. 7 pulses. Pause. 3 pulses. Pause. 13 pulses. Mathematical structures resembling Fibonacci spirals and recursive growth patterns. Cryptographers analyzing the data proposed a terrifying hypothesis. 3I Atlas was not transmitting information in language. It was transmitting through resonance itself. Not seconds. Not words. Cycles. According to some interpretations, the object was synchronizing with planetary systems, gravitational fields, and possibly even biological consciousness. That idea sounded absurd until a controversial neuroscience experiment produced results no one could explain. Researchers exposing volunteers to the object's pulse frequencies discovered synchronized brainwave responses between isolated participants in separate rooms. The signal appeared capable of neurological entrainment. And if it could affect human cognition from millions of kilometers away, what exactly was humanity dealing with? Then Mars changed again. High-resolution imagery captured strange formations emerging across dust plains south of Noctis Labyrinthus. Over several hours, the shifting patterns formed 2 expanding concentric ovals before finally creating a shape that stunned scientists worldwide. An eye. Tilted precisely at 23.5 degrees, matching Earth's axial tilt. Some dismissed it as pareidolia, the human tendency to see meaning in random patterns. Others were no longer so certain. Because by now the coincidences had become impossible to ignore. Mars seemed aware of the approaching object. Ancient records appeared linked to its arrival. Mathematical signals repeated across physics, geometry, and even biology itself. Then came Webb's final molecular scan. Inside the vapor trail surrounding 3I Atlas, astrobiologists identified repeating nucleotide-like chains similar to RNA. Not Earth RNA. Not DNA. But unmistakably structured molecular sequences designed for